Everyone, in this video we will try to understand how React Portal works. And to explain that, we have a small image card component which we are rendering inside React Portal. And this whole React Portal component we are rendering inside the main app component. If you see here, the parent has position, relative, overflow hidden, and it has height and width of 300 pixels. And that is why we are not able to render the whole image card. And this image card is also wrapped inside a box which has position absolute and right and bottom value of 10. But what if we want to render this box not inside this parent but inside somewhere in this component? Just to understand, let's inspect this card. You see, this whole card is being rendered inside a parent, this ID parent. Now, this is where React Portal comes in. What basically React Portal does is it allows you to render child component inside some other part of the DOM. Let's do that. So we will create an app with ID of app, and we'll try to get that DOM here. So basically this will have this whole app. So initially the app will be null. So if it is null, we won't render anything. And now let's try to use React Portal. So first argument, it takes a child, whatever the child component we want to render. And second argument is where we want to render it. So we want to render this inside app, right? Now you see, this is no more part of a parent component, but it's like rendering inside this app. And we can inspect this. You see, it's not inside this. It's not inside this parent box, but it is separately being rendered here inside app. That's it. That's how React Portal works. And the use cases of this is basically sometimes you have a component like a model that you are rendering inside a parent which has position relative, and that model has a position absolute. So what happens is that that model sometimes gets cropped, and that's where we can use React Portal to render that model somewhere else, somewhere inside the parent component. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.